In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find archive projects in Todoist. If you've ever cleaned up your Todoist workspace by archiving old projects, you might later wonder where they went or how to get them back. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to locate your archive projects so you can review them, restore them, or simply confirm that nothing has been lost. First, make sure you're logged into your Todoist account and you're on the main screen, where you can see your usual list of projects and tasks. The key area we're going to focus on is the Projects section. This is where all your active projects are listed, and it's also where you'll find the option to view archived ones. Look for the section labeled My Projects, or simply Projects, usually located on the left-hand side of the screen on desktop, or in the main navigation menu on mobile. This is your central hub for everything you're working on. Go ahead and click on My Projects. When you open this, Todoist shows you your current active projects by default. Now, by default, archive projects are hidden so your workspace stays clean and focused on what's active. To see those archive projects, you need to adjust the view. Inside the projects area, look for a filter, drop-down, or toggle that lets you change which projects are displayed. Among the options, there should be one that refers to archive projects. Choose the option that says something like Archive Projects Only. Once you select Archive Projects Only, the list will refresh, and instead of your active projects, you'll see only the ones that have been archived. This is your dedicated view of everything you've decided to tuck away. From here, you can click into any archive project to review old tasks, check past work, or use it as a reference for new projects. If you realize a project still has some life in it, this is also where you can unarchive it. Inside an archived project, look for an option to restore or unarchive. Once you do that, it will move back into your regular My Projects view the next time you switch away from the Archive Only filter. To get back to your normal workspace, simply change the view from Archive Projects Only back to your standard project view, and Todoist will once again show your active project.